Hi, everyone. Paige Panzarello here, the Cashflow Chick. And I wanted to address something today about the note investing space. I've had several of my Building Wealth with Note workshop attendees that have been really surprised after they've gone through the workshop and as they're going through the workshop to learn and to understand that the note investing space is very collaborative. And I think I've gotten a lot of comments that I wanted to share with you about what surprised them the most is that it is so collaborative. It is more about the people and networking. It is not about being solitary. It is about the relationships that you establish with people. It's about the relationships that you build on that help to create and build your success. And I think that holds true not only for notes and note investing, but pretty much anywhere. The thing that surprised them, though, is the willingness to collaborate. In the note investing space, when we're dealing with asset managers and other note buyers, there's really kind of a general camaraderie. There's more of a collaboration over competition. Now, I don't want to say that there's no competition in note investing, because there is. However, it's a gentler form of competition. And I can go into that a little bit later, but I did want to touch on and really elaborate on the fact that this is a very collaborative space. And the Building Wealth with Notes attendees were just so surprised that asset managers are willing to introduce you to other asset managers, meaning people that you're buying product from. I call them asset managers, right? People that have notes for sale. They're very, very collaborative. They're willing to help you and introduce you to other asset managers. In other forms of real estate and real estate investing, there's more of a competition and more of a need to maybe play things a little closer to the vest. You don't want somebody to swoop in and take your deal away, right? So there's less collaboration perhaps in other forms of real estate investing. But when you get to the note space, it is surprising, it is shocking that it is so collaborative. And it's not just the asset managers and other note investors, it's your team members. So your servicing team and your loss mitigation team. There's interaction and networking and collaboration with all of those teams as well. People introduce you, to other people in this space so that we can all work together and be successful together. And you don't find that in a lot of different potential mediums, for investing. Actually, I think you kind of don't find that a lot in a lot of courses of life, what goes on in life. But so it's really refreshing. And I think that, the Building Wealth with Notes students, the workshop students, were really surprised to learn from my team members who I bring in to the workshop. They were really surprised to learn just how collaborative this is. So you don't have to feel like a solitary island. You don't have to hold your deals close to the vest and not tell anybody about what you're doing. It's the polar opposite in notes and note investing. So I just wanted to share that because some of my students came to me and said that it was so refreshing how collaborative this space is. So anyway, if you're interested in talking to me more or learning about more about notes or the note space, take a look at cashflowchick.com, or you can register for the next upcoming workshop at buildingwealthwithnotes.com. I hope to see you there.